Hi, today let's see how to add payment method to WooCommerce. So if you are having a WordPress website using WooCommerce and you want to collect payments, you can do it easily by watching this video. And I'll show you how you can collect Stripe, which is a best and reliable way of collecting payments. So this is the checkout page. As you can see, if I scroll down, you can see that we don't have any payment method available. So let's see how we can add a payment method and how we can collect payments. So to connect Stripe to WooCommerce, first you need to have a WooCommerce website. If you don't have one, you can watch my previous videos. You will be able to have a website in minutes. And after you have a WordPress website, you can just log into your dashboard. Then you can go to plugins, add new, and here search for Stripe. And you will see these plugins. So you can select any of these. I'll choose this one. And this will take you to its main page where you can learn more about this plugin. Now you can just go to settings. And here you will see the mode, so you can enable a test mode or live mode, and then you can click on this to connect your Stripe account. So let's try this. This will open up Stripe where you can log in with your own credential, and then you will see this page. Select the account you would like to connect to Stripe. So here you can choose your account. I'll choose this one and we'll click connect. And that's it. You can see your Stripe account has been connected. And this is our test key, test secret key, and test worksheet. So we can enable test mode or live mode, and you can also enable disable test mode here in the Stripe account. So that's it. Now let me show you the checkout page. Okay, so this was the checkout page as I showed you. Now if I refresh this, okay, our cart is empty, so let's add something here. So let's deposit some money here and we'll click deposit. Redirecting to checkout. If I scroll down, now you can see that we have these options due to Stripe. So we can use these cards, we can write our card number and can place order. So this was how you can connect Stripe to WooCommerce. This was very simple, and you can also connect PayPal using the same method. Just click connect to PayPal. This will take you to PayPal where you can log in, and then that's it. So hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.